Hello, welcome to the Guideline Development Checklist online webpage tutorial. Today's video will be on how to use this page and the online checklist. We are currently on the Guideline Development Checklist homepage. As you scroll down, you'll notice that there are three links. These links are Go to Online Checklist, Download Checklist PDF, and Download Glossary PDF. For the purposes of today's video, we will be dealing with the online checklist. So we will click Go to Online Checklist. Clicking the link opens the HTML version of the Guideline Development Process Checklist in a new tab. Before we move any farther on this page, we need to have an intro of the features included on this page. This page contains the Guideline Checklist, which is divided into 18 topics. It also contains learning resources for learning and implementing the steps within the checklist. For each of these steps, there is also a feedback option. Let's take a moment to look at the glossary. The glossary can be opened in a new page by clicking this link here. The glossary contains definitions of all the terms used within the checklist. Let's go back to the online checklist now. Now that we are back to the online checklist, if we scroll down, we will notice a picture. This picture is an overview of the guideline development process. Just above this picture are 18 hyperlinks. By clicking any of these hyperlinks, we will be brought to the respective topic within the guideline checklist. Note that by hovering over one of these hyperlinks, the definition from the glossary will appear. Let's take a second to click Guideline Development Topic Number 1, Organization, Budget, Planning, and Training. By clicking that link, we are able to view all of the items underneath Organization, Budget, Planning, and Training. Items appear here. To the right of that column, any references and sources appear here. Note that these numbers are hyperlinks, and if we click the hyperlink, we will be brought to the references at the bottom of the page. To the right of the sources column are learning tools and resources. Where available, we have supplied the web pages for these learning tools. If we were to click one of these links, we will be brought to the respective web page. Let's return to the online checklist now. By clicking the feedback hyperlink, a feedback email will open in your email client. Note that the recipient and subject have already been filled in for you. Feedback with regard to any new items, learning tools, or current items and learning tools will be much appreciated. Let's return to the online checklist. By clicking the topic once again within the checklist, we will return to the directory at the top of the page. This concludes our tutorial on how to use the online checklist. Thank you.